Well, the tension along Iran's northern border, it just went from high to explosive. Welcome to TimesXP's War Updates with me, Dhriti Atri, and dramatic footage. Ladies and gentlemen, it has been released by Hezbollah. It shows what appears to be a guided anti-tank missile hitting an Israeli Merkava tank near the Lebanese border town of Merkava. In fact, the video that is chilling. Well, you can see the missile streak through the air, impact, and then flames and smoke erupting from the armored tank. In fact, the scene, it looks like a war zone straight out of a battlefield movie. Israeli military, though, has not really confirmed the damage yet, but the footage alone, it is enough to send shockwave through the whole region. But wait, this was not an isolated incident either. Hezbollah claims that it has launched multiple operations against the Israeli military site, including attacks near Haifa and rocket fire near northern Israeli town. Here, analysts warn that these attacks, they are highly coordinated, showing that Hezbollah has grown more and more daring and capable in the mid of escalating regional tension. Let's note the timing now. That is very important. The strike comes after the killing of Iran's ex-supreme leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, an event that has already sent the whole Middle East into a state of heightened alert. Military experts warned that what began as a localized skirmish along the border, it could now spiral into a broader conflict, potentially drawing in Israel, Hezbollah, Iran, and even the Gulf nations. In fact, right now, the towns that are near the border, well, over there the sirens are blaring. Families are rushing to the shelters, missiles are lighting up the sky, and armored vehicles blazing in the fire. The psychological impact is as real as the physical damage here. Even one Merkava tank hit, it sends a very strong message. Nothing is untouchable anymore. In the meantime, international observers, they are watching nervously. The risk is clear. A single escalation along the northern border, it could trigger a full-scale regional warfare. The Strait of Hormuz, Gulf oil routes, and even global markets can feel the impact of these border clash. Now for Israel, the challenge is immediate. Protect its northern border, respond to Hezbollah's attack, and prevent the whole situation from spilling over into a wider war. But for Hezbollah, every strike, it is a show of power. And warning too, they can hit deep inside Israel and they are willing to do so. So let's conclude this. The northern border is explosive, the region is on edge, and every missile fired raises the risk of a much larger war. The world is watching right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the skies are dangerous, and the next move could change the Middle East forever.